Kia ora, Munro Te Whata. I'm from Hokianga. My tribe is Ngā Puhi and Ngāti Porou. I'm Niuean, so my village is Tuapa. Yeah, I'm born and raised in Auckland. And I have 3 kids. And I'm married and I live in Manirua. I never really did art at school. I didn't really study, do school C art or anything like that. But I drew it in all my maths books and my English books. And yeah, I wasn't too good at high school, so it was easy for me to leave. I saw an ad in the paper when I was about 16 saying, if you want to learn how to draw, at a cartoon school. So I started there. I left high school and did that. And then I started working at Brotown when I was 18. My style is hopefully something that is separate to a lot of the Māori art that's around now. It's not better or anything like that. It's just more mainstream, I think. I've always gravitated towards Māori culture that relates to me, work. For He Paki Taonga, I read the script and then I draw on the script. So I draw in thumbnails and I'm drawing right by where the words are. I try to get the story that they're trying to tell into the one frame, because it's only 1 frame and I'm only doing like 5 frames per story. So I have to kind of think of what the composition and the story that is needing to be told in that little thumbnail. And then I do a rougher one, like a pencil rough. And that one I send to the client. And then I do a colored version, a final version. Most of it's digital now. I don't really use much paper. That's only because I don't really have any paper. I don't really have that much physical tools anymore. I just use my iPad, and it's a real blessing to be able to work from home and spend time with my family and work on drawing, and it's just something that I love. And